Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think this is a wave 3. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, probably going to eventually make a 4 and a 5, and I think this is all wave C of what I believe to be an expanding flat on the monthly time frame. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is a nice little uptrend right here. I think it's probably a wave 1. I think this is an A, B, and C. And yes, the wave B definitely broke up and the wave C definitely broke down, meaning that this is probably an expanding flat wave 2. And I think that we are most likely now in a wave 3 of wave C, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame is where I'm watching this most recent structure level. If price doesn't break that structure and doesn't break and hold above that structure, then I'm going to say we're still in an uptrend. I still think this is a 1, a 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. I still think there's a very good chance this move down is a crescent to this wave 3, and eventually we're going to go up probably all the way up to the 285 to 323 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2 to finish off what I believe to be a wave 3, probably still a wave 3 of wave 1 on the higher time frames. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, if it breaks structure and holds about below structure, then that's going to be pretty significant to me. Right now, it definitely looks like a trend, which kind of makes you think that it's a wave A, and that the next move up would actually be a crescent to that trend, like a wave B, and that it would go down again for a wave C before it actually ended up continuing the uptrend, which I do think is a pretty likely scenario. But sometimes what we think is going to be a wave B will just keep on trending up, which is why if we do get a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I would take it as a long, and then I would learn whether it formed a wave B and then went back down for a wave C before it continued the uptrend, or whether it just kept on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here, because I suspect that this could even be a bottom right here, like it's either a wave A or a wave 1. This right here is a correction, like a wave B or a wave 2, and that it's more likely to go up for either a C, which would look like this, and then it'll probably break structure, and then come over here, break structure to the downside, proving that it's a wave C. Or what I think is more likely is that it's a wave 3 and it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. Either way, I am definitely still primarily looking for longs unless we get a significant break and hold below this structure line. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.